Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. In Ruby, you can achieve similar directory traversal functionality to Python's os.walk using a combination of methods provided by the Dir and File classes. The primary methods you will use are Dir.entries, File.directory, and recursion. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating a Ruby equivalent of Python's os.walk and provide a code example to demonstrate its usage. In Python, os.walk is a convenient function that generates the file names in a directory tree. It recursively traverses directories, producing a generator that provides the root directory, all of its subdirectories, and all of the files within them. This is very useful for tasks that require walking through a directory hierarchy and performing operations on files and directories. To achieve the same directory traversal functionality in Ruby, you can create a custom method that recursively traverses directories and collects file and directory paths. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Create a Ruby script or function that will replicate the behavior of os.walk in Python. You can define a method to achieve this. Here's a basic structure. Inside the walk_directory function, use the dir.entries method to list the contents of the current directory. Then, use recursion to process subdirectories. Here's a sample implementation. This code recursively traverses the directory structure starting from root_dir. If it encounters a directory, it will continue to traverse it, and if it encounters a file, it will print the file's full path. You can modify this part to suit your specific needs. Now, you can use the walk_directory method to traverse a directory structure. Here's an example of how to use it. Replace /path/to/start/directory with the path of the directory you want to start the traversal from. Here's a complete code example that demonstrates the Ruby equivalent of Python's os.walk. This code will recursively traverse the specified directory and print the full paths of all the files it encounters. You can modify the code to perform other operations on the files and directories as needed. ChatGPT